just in case this is the last time that I unload Hayden, I got it on the camera. He's looking at me. A little chicken. Should have ran into me, Cody. Come get me.
In the dark with his rest in the daylight.
Ay. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I did not record a lot today because we didn't start cutting until like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and there wasn't a ton going on. We've just been trying to get done.
Yeah, you guys need to let me through here for crying out loud.
We've just been trying to get done, and I'm at that point of harvest where I'm like tired of recording because it's just been the same thing over and over again unless someone gets stuck or something goes wrong.
Is that attitude out here? His attitude. I was giving him attitude.
Matt loves to give attitude on the radio. Anyway, we only have a little bit left. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and if we don't get this all knocked out, I might start crying. Not that I'm tired of harvest, but it is just, last year when we were in North Dakota, everything went so good, and I got spoiled. And now, it's not going terrible. We had a really good, like, week of running solid, where we could, like, cut late, start early. We're whipping out like a bunch of acres a day because we had all 9 machines going, and then bam, September got here and it was like, you're done. And so now we cut from like 12 to 9:30, and if that, we've started cutting at like 2 and got done at 7 before. So it's just the nature of the beast. Cody rolling his tarp again. And Dennis, always the first green combine out of the field.
They're running 50. Nice.
The plan this morning is that we're just going to get done. We have a couple small patches to do that are around the bag that we're at right now. So I'm going to go with 4G to do a patch. It's actually the patch right next to where I swathed this summer. And then since it's so far away, we're taking some parts down there.
Show up on your...
The cat combines are going already. It's 15 moisture. We're just bagging it. We got to get it done. It's going to rain tonight. Going to get more muddy. So, fingers crossed and prayers are up that we will just not have any issues today and get all the way done.
Everybody wants to know.
Just a little bit of a tight squeeze. I'm pretty sure Hayden just exposed me on the internet again for my bale row not being straight, but I'm just going to take this opportunity to say he's got tree stuck in his header. Oh look, it's the term that ruined my grain cod last year. Me and that culvert do not get along. While we aren't completely finished for wheat harvest this year, that is the last strip that we will do with all the custom guys, I think, because the stuff that we have left is all too wet, and we're probably going to do it on Sunday after it gets hot again after the rain. So I think these custom guys are going to boot, and then we can handle the rest of it with 4 combines. Oh, that's sad. The plan now is to move the 4 combines for this farm and the 2 grain carts down south to that stuff that we could not harvest because it was too wet. And then the custom harvesters and the neighbors are going to go do whatever, because I don't think we need all those guys down there, especially if we don't cut today. Like, there's no guarantee it'll go today, there's no guarantee it'll go even until like gonna be next, but I think today's the last official day that we're running with everybody in the field. So with limping to the end and the way that we are, there's a lot of logistics behind that. So right now on the radio, the chatter is about if we need to bring the bagger down south, if we don't need to.
Yeah, there could be a lot of grain. There could be a lot of grain, I mean, because it's running so good. If you're going to take the combines down there, take the bagger with you. And that way we have options. That's why we have it.
So, that's the verdict right now. And then there's the bag placement logistics. Last year we just got it all done. We parked at the shop and wheat was done. But with this year being later in the year, we got a later start on planting. There's still green berries and stuff. It just makes it more messy. So we'll see how this turns out. We have made it to one of our last fields down south. It is 13 moisture, so we're good to roll in here for probably the remainder of the day. It's only 4 o'clock, but in previous nights it's been getting tough around like 8, 9 p.m. But hopefully the wind will keep blowing and it won't get tough tonight so that we can knock the rest of this out and be officially finished with harvest for 2023 wheat. If you can't see that, Tristan is sitting and spinning. Oh! Turned the camera on, he got out of it, but that whole spot is so muddy. Mud spots that we've never been in before. I think someone said this morning we've gotten 40 inches of rain this summer. That's a lot.
Canvas, the inside canvas is the middle canvas. That bracket broke, the one that slides in and out of the plastic bearings.
Dennis's combine broke. There goes Dennis. Oh, you can see that big wad of stuff in his header. Not bueno. And it looks like some rain clouds are moving in. Maybe they're just scooting over. Hopefully they're just scooting over us. Sky! Stuck combine. Only a little bit more wheat to go. Life is good.
It's on the ground, so maybe you could back up, but I mean, there's a lot of mud behind you. I guess I'm not sure. So we'll get you uploaded and try it out and see. Try to get you uploaded and see if I can get underneath it.
So Craig is going back to the farm to get the tractor to pull him out. Matt is gonna go get unloaded and go down there to unload him so that I don't get stuck, because Matt's a little bit more experienced. Not saying I can't do it. Oh, Tristan.
Okay, Dennis and us, we'll head over.
Tristan just lost the light game. Dennis's combine is still down. Doug is the only one out here with 4-wheel drive, so he's gonna go cut around Joel. But he's gonna dump right now because he was getting heavy. Matt went and got empty, and now he's emptying Joel. Luckily his auger wasn't down so far when he folded it out that Matt couldn't get under him. So he's not super duper deep, but he's deep enough that he's not going to try to get out on his own without someone pulling him out. We're going to see if Matt can get him pulled out. Oh?
Gotta keep rocking like that. Looks like you're making progress.
Currently trying to pull Joel out with the other grain cart, so Matt is strapped to him and Matt's gonna back up and they're gonna pull him out, hopefully. We're so close to done. Yeah, you can't even see anything. And I'm unloading combines, so.
Stop right now, both of you, hold on. Because you're gonna fall into them other tracks pretty quick. Let's unhook and see if he can get out on his own, right, Matt? I think think if Matt gets out of the way, I should be able to back up a few feet and turn out to my right.
Okay, he got pulled out. Perfect. So hopefully we'll get some more done tonight before it rains. We have a couple more acres left, and I suppose we're calling it for the night. Hopefully it doesn't rain in the morning, because that would suck. Jaden was gonna grab that, but beat him to it. So now I get a traffic cone in the pickup. My little buddy seat rider. How cute. So good news is it didn't rain a ton last night. We are gonna have to have a late start because it is wet. Farming in the north is like that. It gets very, very wet in the morning, very wet early at night. So we're bringing this bagger tractor home because we're just gonna truck the rest of it. We only have like 30 to 40 acres left, and we could have done it last night, but someone would have got stuck. It's the low spots, the mud spots, and we just weren't gonna test it. And then the harvesters got done last night with the stuff by the shop. Our neighbors went back to working on their own stuff on their farm. They have a bunch of other stuff going on, so after we finished that last field with everybody, they went home and started hauling hay. Ugh, this is so sad. It's gonna be weird not leaving with these guys this year, but it is what it is. Got the camera woman. So Matt's alternator went bad. He left. The grain we harvested this morning was 19%. It is now 2:30 in the afternoon. We have about 60 acres left. Seeing it in the daylight, we thought we had less last night. And it's at 16.5 to 17-ish. We're just gonna go and try to find some dry stuff and try to get this wrapped up, and then put it on bins with air to dry it down more, and then blend it off with dry stuff. So I had some dry stuff on from last night. We mixed the super wet stuff on with that, and now we're just gonna mix and pray. Last couple passes for wheat harvest. Don't look at my dirty windows. They're finishing up over there. Doug's finishing up to my left. Dennis just finished up around the hill. We've got a couple, probably 2 more truckloads, and then we're done. Now it's the end of harvest when you only have that much paper towel left, a bag of trash, and under everything else, the last 3 snacks. Actually, there's only 2 back there. The other one's trash. That is all I have left, and I had no motivation to pack anything today. And I'm hungry. So that's what we're gonna eat. The exact same thing happened last year at the end of harvest when I was doing custom harvest. We finished in Kansas around the 1st of November. And that day I just threw my water bottles in the tractor and I was like, I could not care less. You just get so tired of it and your brain gets fried and you've been eating the same thing all season. So the last day of harvest is when you need to care. You're still an operator. But last year, after 6 months of it, I was like, ugh. And then I went to Australia and did more of it. So that makes sense, right? Since we are almost done, we are loading the grain cart pretty heavy because we're waiting on trucks right now. So we're gonna try to keep everyone going for as long as they can while we wait. The trucks have a long ways to go since we're all the way down south. But honestly, I think they'll fit basically all of this into their hoppers after I empty Joel out. All right, we're all wrapped up. So we are loading my cart. I'm gonna put some on the trucks and then I'm just gonna have to road back to the shop with whatever we have and load the trucks there so I don't have to sit out here and wait for the trucks to get back since we're so far away. So I can go down the road a little bit, but it helps if it's not a ton. They're all leaving me here because I gotta wait on a truck. So I get the road home by myself. Ugh. I still have 21,000 pounds on, so we're just gonna take it easy on the way home. Probably loaded him a little too much, but he'll be alright. Thanks for watching. As always, hasta la pasta.